Efficient file naming with Easy File Renamer. Structured file organization starts with proper file names. Learn how to bulk rename and append text to file names using Easy File Renamer. Methods to append text. 1. Beginning of file names. Use command prompt to prepend text universally. Open Notepad, paste the script, and execute in command prompt. 2. End of file names. Utilize PowerShell to append text at the end of file names. Open PowerShell as admin, paste the script, and execute. 3. Specific position. Modify file names with text insertion at a precise character position. Execute the PowerShell command, adjusting the position as needed. Using Easy File Renamer, download and install Easy File Renamer from Sourcem Technologies. Add files to the application. Choose Insert at Rule and define text and position. Add additional rules if necessary. Click Rename to apply changes across multiple files. Master efficient file management with these simple techniques for renaming files in bulk.